This is a room tour of the room 2022 in the Pan Pacific Hotel. All right, let's just start with the bathroom since it's right here. We have shower and tub with amenities and, of course, towels and a scale in case you need it, and that is the blow dryer, I believe, in the bag. And we have some cups and stuff, a nice mirror, and shower gel and a little shower cap. And then behind this door we have the actual commode. Your basic commode. Okay, that's the bathroom. Now let's move on to the closet. We have a couple of luggage racks. We have extra bedding, hangers, some nice iron board, umbrella, robes, and hard to see, but this safe goes way back. Okay, I'm not tall enough to get far enough back, but that's how tall it is. That's how far it goes, rather. I guess if I put something in there, I'll have to make sure I don't put it so far back I can't reach it, huh? And then we have the rest of the suite proper. And this is a nice view. We get a really nice bed. Look at that. And here, there does not appear to be any power on the bedside at all. We've got a couple of shallow drawers and a cubby down here. And of course, that's a lot of pillows. And here we have a bench with a pretty deep drawer. These two are both also deep drawers. And this one has fixings for the coffee maker here. Okay. And then, of course, the second one is just a regular deep drawer like the other was. So, looking at the desk here, underneath it we have the chiller, which does not, come with anything, but it does have a lock. So I guess if you had it with stuff, you'd want to make sure you weren't charged for things, right? It has a very shallow drawer with a thing for pens or pencils. It has a coffee maker. That over there is actually a kettle. And here we have power options. So we've got a couple of regular power for US. We have some USB-A, and in the rest I think there's another USB-A at the end here, but the rest is for audiovisual hookups, which probably aren't current anymore. Okay, over here we have the same end table as before, the same options. Again, no power at the end table, and the power on the wall is all taken up. So keep that in mind if you're going to stay here. Now, that said, there is an outlet right here on this wall that is completely empty, so that may be useful for you as well. I do have a lovely view of the harbor here, and there's some cruise ships down here we can see. The one that we just got off of is back over there, and I'm going to have to go down and take a look at the other one. Okay, so that is room 2022, Pan Pacific Hotel. Solo Sue signing off.